Hey guys. Alright, so I got back from the car meet. It was pretty good. I got to bump into some people that I knew and met some new friends. That's what I like about these car meets. My package from Amazon arrived. These are Sill plates. And I've always wanted to put a set on my Challenger. I never got around to doing it, so I'm going to do it on this one. So yeah, stick around. Let's see how this comes out. Interesting. So yeah, these are the original ones. These are not aftermarket ones. I wasn't sure because it was like an aftermarket price, but so I got a good deal on it. And I'll show the part number. And well, open it up here. Let me cut this open. I don't have my tripod. All right, looks pretty good. Give you some instructions. Tells you to use an alcohol wipe. It's like they want you to let it dry for 5 minutes or so, and then put it in here just to eyeball it. Shows about the location. Now let's take a look at the sill plates. All right, so there they are. So it's not painted in on the recess. It's just all stainless steel. It still looks pretty good. And the tape is on the outer edge. I think Bowie's gonna double check everything. It looks pretty good. All right, let's see. Should be easy enough to put on. Let me get my alcohol. So I wasn't exactly sure how to line this thing up. So what I did was I just got the plate just laying down there, and I put painter's tape around the outer edge, so I know when I pull the backing out where to lay it down. And I measured about a ½ inch from here. I thought the sill plates were going to be a little bit wider. So I'm basically about a ½ inch in from the edge. I think that'll be okay. Still not really going to protect it. Usually sill plates go all the way to the edge, you know. So, but, well, there you go. Let me pull the backing down and should be good to go. Get a close up of this. All right, I got this side done. It looks pretty good. And let's get the other side before it rains. How plain it is without it. All right, so there's the passenger side. I think it looks pretty good. All right, let's line it up. So again, I'm going about a ½ inch in. I'll have to edit this. All right, so now you can see where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it right there. And right there. All right, ready to go. All right, I'm gonna pull this tape out. It is so humid, I am just like dripping. But I gotta tell you something, there is like a slight shallow underneath the this backing plate. I don't know if that ever matters, but tape, 2 pieces go all the way across. It's pre-peeled on the end, so it's really easy to pull the backing off on it. This was actually real easy to install. And there we go. It actually, this thing, I gotta fix this. It's not covering my seat all the way. It actually did come with these alcohol wipes, but I didn't use them. They're real little. So, but yeah, all done. If you got any questions, put them in the comment, and I'll post a link to this. It's on Amazon, but I don't have an affiliate anymore with Amazon. Didn't sell enough. So, yeah. Thumbs up. Please thumb up the videos, man. It really helps. All right, later.